convert the 7 pi over 4 to degree. So 7 pi over 4 times 180 over pi, and that will give you 315 degrees. So 315 degrees will happen to be right in this quadrant, since this is 270 and this 360. So that's where your terminal arm, this is 7 pi over 4 right there. And the reference angle will be 360 minus 315, which is 45, and 45 is pi over 4 in radians. So if this is pi over 4, this is 90, then this is pi over 4 as well. And therefore, you're dealing with the 45, 90 special angle triangle. And so you label your sides. That's going to be 1. This is -1, since the y-axis here is negative, and the hypotenuse is always positive, and it's going to be √2. So secant 7 pi over 4 will be, if the cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, then the secant will be hypotenuse over adjacent. So it will be √2 over 1. Final answer, √2.